In this video, we are going to see that how to perform assignment number 3. So I'm in my Google Classroom, clicking in on assignment 3. And if I go here to the details of assignment 3, so number one thing is it's asking to go to Kaggle. So I'm clicking on this thing. It will lead me to Kaggle. And now I want it to sign in if I'm not signed in, but because I'm already signed in, it's telling me that I'm already signed in. Now I'm going to search for a dataset, that is this, Control C and Control V. So we actually are searching for this database which we discussed right now, and enter. It will show me this specific database. I'm going to download this database, and there is a option with the name of download. As soon as I download, you can see that it is downloading over here, and there is a file which is created with the name of archive. So I'm going to extract this file. I'm going to my downloads folder, and you can see that I have this file. So I right click and extract here. I just click extract here, and it has extracted the file. This file will be available over here, childcare costs. So I'm going to upload this file. So I'm coming to my drive.google.com, and I'm coming to my for example drive.google.com, and I'm coming to my Colab folder, so Colab notebooks folder, and I'm going to upload that file over here. So I just select this file and drag and drop over here. So as soon as I upload this file, it will be available over here. I'm going to change the sharing option for this file. I just click over here, share, and copy link. I can also go to share if it is not a public link. What I have to do is, instead of restricted, I have to select anyone with the link over here and copy the link. So now file is copied over here. Now I'm coming to my Google Colab notebook, in which I'm going to read this CSV file. So for that, I just go to colab.research.google, and I'm going to create a new notebook. So in this notebook, I'm going to write all the import statements first, and then I'm going to write the reading of CSV file. So I'm going to type the import statement. So I have written all the import statements. At the same time, I also connected my Google Drive. You can see that all of these steps are given over here. So download this file, extract the zip, upload the CSV file, start Python program in Colab, right click on the file and share, copy the link, create new Python notebook, then import all necessary libraries. So we are till here. Now I'm going to write the read CSV statement after this. So for that, I just wanted to add a new code line over here. So I added the new code line over here. So once I add the code over here, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to name this specific thing as DF, that is data frame, and the child care costs, and I wanted to provide the name of that specific sheet. So for that, I'm going to just go to the drive, and I just get copy link, and I come over here. I just type hash and paste. So why I did this? So this thing is available over here. I just copy from D to this. I'm going to paste this thing over here. So I'm done with the importing, and I'm done with the connecting with the CSV file. Now I add a new code line, and I will type df child care underscore costs, which will show me the data frame. So I'm going to execute all of these one by one. I executed this, and I'll wait. Once it is done, we'll have our green tick over here. It is asking us to it wants to connect to Google Drive, and I'm going to give the permission. I just clicked over here. I have to select my name, and I have to provide allow. As soon as I allow, this will execute and give me a green tick over here. Once this is done, I wanted to play this. I have played this specific thing, and if statement is clear, green tick over here, and I played this thing, it will actually show me everything over here. You can see that it is providing me the entire CSV file over here. So now I wanted to execute the box plot and other items on this specific data frame, so I'm going to do that. For that, I'm going to add a new code snippet over here, and I'm going to type the box plot over here. So what I did is I have created a new variable which will have the UNR16 column from this data frame, and it will store in this data frame. And then basically I have made the size of the figure to 10,6, and then I have plotted the box plot, and plot.show, it will show me the plot. Then we did px, that is px is basically plotly express dot box, and we have provided where and points all. We wanted to show all the points. So once I execute this specific statement, it will create a simple box plot at the top and a box plot with all the numbers at the bottom. So you can see that this is the simple box plot and this is the box plot with all the numbers available over here. So this is how we create box plot. So for violin plot, I have to enter new code snippet over here, and I'm going to type violin plot statement over here. So sns.violin plot data equals to, we have provided the data frame over here, and then x equals to, we have provided the data frame and the field name which we wanted to plot. As soon as I click play, it will plot a violin plot over here. Similarly, we wanted to create the other two plots, and I'm going to come to the assignment. So we did the box plot, we did the violin plot. Now we wanted to do the count plot and his plot. So for that, we are going to come to this specific statement, added a code over here. So as you have seen that we wanted to do the count plot, and for count plot, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this statement, Control C, paste it over here. Instead of violin plot, we're going to type count plot, and we're going to play this. So as soon as it processes the specific statement, it will plot the count plot over here. You can see that count plot is built over here. Now I'm going to do the other two items. Last his plot is the only item which is remaining, so I'm going to do the his plot in a similar fashion. So I'm going to copy the entire thing from here to here, paste it over here, and instead of count plot, I'm going to type his plot and play. You can see that histogram is built over here. So we are done with all the things which we did in the last session. Thank you so much.